bite! You got a bite! Hi everyone and welcome to another video. I do hope you're well. Today's video is part one of a series of parts, all filmed on the Isle of Anglesey and North Wales. We have fish in every part, so we're really pleased about that. It was our annual fishing holiday that we tried to take in September, and we managed it this year again. James has done us some drone footage as well, so it is fantastic footage that he takes with his drone. Sorry about the lack of videos recently as well. We've been quite busy with, well, I've been busy with work and my dad's been busy and I've been busy with the camper van. I'll show you the full tour of the camper van in a separate video. I'll link to it in this video, and it's a full van tour for you as well. Enough waffle anyway, and on with the video. Hi everyone. So we're back out again. It's been a while. Just here with my dad and my brother James. Just up there is New Faithful, our camper van, in the shadow of the mountain. Just getting some bait here at Llanfairfechan. So I'll go help him out and get some bait for the fishing. So I'll catch you in a bit. Hi everyone, so we're back fishing. So today we're a little bay called Church Bay. You'll probably see it at the end, as normal. I'll show you little bits about it on the maps. I'll just go around with a few other lads. Today, oh, hey, bite! You got a bite!
Been rod.
No. First one. Yeah, no, let it go. Newbie rod. It's a bite on the newbie's rod. So this is my brother James's friend Dan, my cousin Tom, and you've seen James before. So we're having our week in Anglesey, so this is the start of it. I didn't expect a bite straight away, but we're only on lugworm. And he's just had a bite on this blue rod here. So we'll see if it develops, and we'll come back to you if we get anything.
Alright guys, got ourselves a little dab. Tim's gone, obviously. He needs a different guy for his YouTube channel, surely. Nice little dab though. Give a kiss. Mwah. Flounder all day long. Wrasse. Mackerel Wrasse.
So a successful day. I don't know if the footage will come out, but because I went on the kayaks today, the lads on the beach had a flounder and a Wrasse. My dad had the Wrasse and James had the flounder. They did put it up to the camera, so hopefully the footage comes out. But I wasn't on the beach to be able to film it, so sorry about that. I had 7 mackerel on the kayak as well, which was really good. Again, I'll try and show you at the end on the maps where I caught those, which is quite good for this little area anyway to get mackerel, so we're happy with that. I'm going to smoke them up tonight and we're going to have them as a bit of a starter before our tea. Right, so until next time, which will probably be tomorrow because we're on holiday, I'll see you later. Hi everyone and welcome back. If you made it this far, thanks for watching the video. We do hope you liked it. I'll just show you now on the maps the fishing location and the various areas in which we got the fish. So this is Porth Swtan, or Church Bay in English. There's plenty of parking on there and you can park on the road as well. Just exercise caution that you don't block anybody in and don't block any access to any of the cottages either. So as you can see, it's a large sweeping bay. The front section of the beach is pebbles and sand, but the majority of these sections here are sand. As you can see, there's plenty of rocks on either side, and that dark patch in the middle there is actually kelp. So the lads fished here on the beach and cast their lines sort of roughly along that rock line there. I tried here on the kayak first and then tried along here, most of the mackerel coming from these areas here and here. As you can see, it is a fantastic bay. There's so many different fishing locations, all the way from here right around all the way to these rocks here. As you can see, it is a fantastic bay, not just for fishermen but for tourists as well. There's plenty of parking and the fishing areas are so varied, and you can get all kinds of manner of species. Anything you can think of you can get on this beach. I would say it's primarily a bass beach, a wrasse location, and flatfish also along this section too. Just a word of safety: if you are kayaking in the area, always try to go with somebody else or have the appropriate equipment. I always have on me a life jacket and a VHF radio. It obviously goes without saying as well, just respect your local area, respect that if you're not a local to that area as well. Always take your rubbish home with you. A lot of these places do have bins, so please use them. There's no real excuse for leaving rubbish behind. You can always take it home in your own tackle box. So that's about it for this video, and thanks for watching once again. I'll put a link to the next part either down below or just there for you. The next part is fantastic as well, if I do say so myself. We just love the island and we love fishing the various marks on the island as well. We get fishing the next one, so do watch that. And we really appreciate all the subscribers that we still have and gained, even though we weren't putting videos up. That's fantastic. We really appreciate it. Do like and subscribe, obviously, if you want to. And until next time, see you later.